we have the list of affirmations, but we want to add images to our affirmation list. For this, go to Resource Manager, then Plus, and then Import Drawables. I have a folder with images. You can download images or create it yourself. Click Open. You can rename it as you want, but your image must start with a letter. Click Next and Import. We have our images in Application. Click Project, and in Drawable package we have all our images. Let's add support for images in our application. First, in Affirmation model, we have only string resource ID, and I want to add image resource ID. Type int. Then go to the data source, and we have error because we need to add our image resource ID. Inside brackets, set comma and type resource point drawable and choose our image for first phrase. Then copy this text and paste it to other affirmations. We haven't errors, but we need to change images for every phrase. 2, 3, 4, and other images. I haven't image for 8th phrase, and I paste the second image. That's good. We have a data source with images. Then let's add an image view to the layout. For this, go to Affirmations item. Here we have only text view. Create linear layout. Width is match parent. Let's erase libraries and paste it in parent element. Then close our linear layout by close tag and erase linear layout and paste it in the bottom. Layout width is match parent and height is wrap content. Our linear layout will be vertical, orientation is vertical, and we can close text view by slash. Then inside linear layout, add the image view. Open tag, image view, close it by slash, and inside image view add ID, Android ID, slash is plus ID, and for example item image. Then with match parent and wrap content. Let's format our code by Alt, Ctrl and L. That's OK. Our images can be different by height, and let's make it 200 dp and crop them. For this, add scale type, and scale type is center crop. Then update the item adapter. Where we have the text, we must add the image. Copy this row and paste. Instead, text view will be image view, type is image view, and name item image. Input image view. On create view holder is empty view. We haven't content, but content we have in on bind view holder. Add image here. Holder point image view point set image resource, and we need to put here our ID. We have item with affirmation, right item point, and we have image resource ID from our affirmation model. Then we can run our application. Now we have the list of affirmations with images. That's good, but not perfect. We can make our application more beautiful with a material design. And we will make it in the next lesson. See you soon.